All righty, let's see what we... It rose way up. That's okay. That's okay. All righty, we're ready to punch it down and get its shape. You see how that just jiggles like that? Jiggle. That's filled up with air. That's the yeast rising in the bread there. So we'll punch it down. We'll get it shaped and make maybe some daily portions or something like that. You see how that just collapses? We push the air out of it. It just collapses and oh, that's a sticky dough. Sticky dough. That's okay. We're gonna be able to. We'll be able to get that right out of the bowl. You see how it's coming out loose? I'll turn it out on some flour and we'll shape some buns or rolls for those birds. Wow.